In this tutorial we talking about this measure tool. So let's begin. This measure tool, we seen the distance between two surfaces, 2 points, or two images. So here we point only, and here also point only. So select this point and select this point. So 20 distance between this point and this point is measured along this 3D image isometric view. So this is the purpose of this, and of course we select the surfaces also. So select this surface, right? So select any body and any geometry. Select this surface and this surface. So this 60 length between these two surfaces. These are shown in the 3D image, 3D isometric view. This is command for only in 3D purpose. So second information is measure item. In this measure item we measure the area, volume, this purpose. So select the part body overall and go to the select the pad 1. So select the pad 1 only and going to the pad 1. So selected pad 1 and going to the measure item. So select any geometry. This is geometry selected. We customize, and area and volume we apply here. So volume is 0.3 is measured here, 0.3 here. See, so we select the area and surface area. We select surface area and apply. So here we select this surface. So this area is 0.01 meter square. So this is the fact, and this is the use of this tool, area, volume, or density measurement. So we select overall body here and go to the inertia tool, measure inertia. So overall all the dimensions, all the volumes are measured here, and we seen here. This is the analysis purpose tool. So this is used only analysis purpose. So all this information is shown in the one page. So we here customize also. So area, inertia, all these points select or deselect for you as information. So this is useful tool for analysis. So thank you for watching this video till the end. We covered the major toolbox in other video. In next video we seen something new. So see you in the next video.